Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a beautiful 1967 Plymouth Satellite. A lot of horsepower under the hood, beautiful color. It's got some great options too, including air conditioning. But the paint, body, drivetrain, everything about this Satellite is awesome.
It's an absolute show car. It really is. Now, we have 3 of these Mopars right now. We have a 66 Dodge Coronet 500, a red one, bucket seats. We have the green on green 66 bucket seat 4-speed. They're all nice, but this is the next level.
It is. And the weather, the clouds today don't do this car justice. It's got such a beautiful shine and metallic in that blue. This thing sitting outside on a sunny day, you just can't not look at it. It's gorgeous.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off, but a built 340 with a nice cam. I'm excited to drive this one. I haven't personally drove it yet. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and an absolute, really a nice engine bay. It's got the factory fender tag here as well. They even went ahead and put the Mopar cover on the battery. I mean, it's something you can take to a local car show, win a trophy, and have a lot of fun with.
Yeah.
Nice headers on it.
I love the body lines on these 6 and 7 Satellites, and this one's straight as an arrow.
And then find the chrome. It looks to me like all of it's been re-chromed, because a lot of this chrome is not, you can't get.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't repop it. The bumper's all been re-chromed, the grille looks nice. Headlight surrounds are beautiful. As Dalton mentioned, look at the body lines, back of the hood, top of the fender to the door. All the way across here. Same thing on the passenger side. Great gaps, great paint.
Yeah, there's not a ripple or
there isn't
nothing in it anywhere.
It's laser straight, and I love the two-tone at the bottom. It just really sets it off, and I love the red inserts on that chrome. Tires look great. It's got Mickey Thompson's on it. Beautiful Mopar wheels. They are 245 60s on the front. So we got a nice size there. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. All the chrome and stainless is in really good shape for original around the windows as well. And look how this, how that hard top fits. I bet this thing going down the road seals up nicely. Back glass looks great. Top of the back seat, back shelf's awesome. You really can't say anything bad about it. Love the tailpipes. Same thing, most of these Mopars, you know, all this chrome and stuff like that's usually pitted. This is beautiful here. Lines up nice, our gap's good there. Looks like it's got a power antenna.
And the whole car was jammed beautifully too.
Somebody's gonna pop on this right LED. This is a nice one. Jack, and it's got the spare in here as well. If we lift that up, you can see the spare down in there. That's nice. Looks like the power antenna is relatively new. So the paint and body is gorgeous. Now we're going to get into the interior. All new rubbers during the paint job. Corner of the doors are great. It's got some speakers, some Sony speakers in the front door panels. Other than that, the door panels are awesome. You got a little discoloration right here in the top of the armrest pad. When they painted it, hood, trunk lid, doors, everything was off. They jammed it very nicely. Here's what I was impressed with, Dalt. Look at this.
Yeah, the seat back paint's just as nice as the exterior paint.
It is. They took all them off. The base coat clear coated them. All new, you know, the chrome's beautiful around it. Back seats excellent. Door panels are nice. Headliner's super tight. Headliner's perfect. It's got dome light works. Dash pad is nice. The steering wheel, I'm guessing a little bigger guy owned it. The steering wheel ain't my choice, but he went with the smaller steering wheel.
And it matches the interior color.
It does. It does. It's fine. It's just, I'm kind of a purist on steering wheels like the originals. 91,624 believed to be actual miles. And the fit and finish, like I said, everywhere we go on this.
You won't find a nicer one. This one and the green one we have in our showroom got to be the two nicest 6 and 7 Satellites.
The green one's awesome too. This one's just got, I'm going to say, I don't know, the paint's about the same as on the green
paint quality is the same.
The interior's a little nicer.
Interior's a little nicer, and this has more options.
Yeah, the air. Yep. Tires, the wheels are really nice on this too. Great tread on them as we go along. I mean, there's no bubbles or blisters on either side of it. Look how the door lines up against the quarter panel. I was gonna take those tiny little chrome flaps off.
I like them.
I know, the guys must have too. I told the check-in to take it off, and I also told the detail to take it off, and no one took it off. They refused. But if a guy hates them, like I do, easy to take it off.
Yeah.
Door panels, top of the door paint's just as nice as the rest of the car as well. Same thing, they did all the correct plugs. If you want a nice satellite, this, like Dalton said earlier, this is one of the nicest ones you're gonna find for sale right now. It does need a little dye on the top of the console there. Paint on the dash is beautiful. It's got all new felts on the windows, all new quarter window rubbers are new too, roof rail rubber. I noticed one thing, we do have to replace the sending unit. The gas gauge wasn't working. I think that's on our check-in or our work ticket.
I think this is the car, but previous owner had said they installed the radio. That radio doesn't work, but they installed a new thing that came out with. It's like a Bluetooth thing that goes onto the dash and connects directly to speakers.
Oh, okay.
And then you just connect with that on your.
You gonna try it or what?
On your phone. And I'm trying to look for the.
It's got the original.
I'm pretty sure it's
manual
this
here.
car. There you go.
It's got the dealer certificate, warranty, maintenance record here. I'm gonna turn this off a minute and see if I can hear the fan. Oh yeah, fan works great. Wipers work great. Like I said earlier, the dash pad's beautiful, and this chrome's nice too. Little pitting right up here in the corner, but really nice polished chrome in the inside. Windows go up and down. It's got the remote mirror. Trying to figure it out or what?
I'm trying to figure it out. I'll have to look when we get back to the shop. But I'm pretty sure John said this one, they installed that under dash Bluetooth deal.
Alternator gauge works. As far as the temp goes, we'll talk about that a little later. See if that temperature comes up. Dome lights work on it.
It does have line lock too.
And it's got a little touch-up paint, looks like.
Yep.
Don't know how the line lock works.
So you just hold her down.
Hold her down.
Yep, and that little red light will come on if you got her.
Does that mean this has got some horsepower or what?
I think it does.
I think
that's
does.
what it means.
At least the previous owner thinks it does enough to put a line lock in it, right? Speedometer works.
This also has a stall in it.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it's got just a little stall. Turn signal works on the left side, not on the right side. Probably a bulb out on the right side, but on the hood, the left side works good. Indicator works good on the dash as well, both sides. It's cool.
Yeah, I like this satellite a lot.
Love it.
And like I said, you have to see this thing on a sunny day. You know, it's gonna look good any day, but on a sunny day, this color really pops. The metallic in it.
Again, it's cold, so I don't expect much, but.
There, you're right back in the seat.
Speedometer works perfect. Transmission shifts good. Oh, it drives nice, don't it?
Yeah.
70 mile an hour, absolutely no shake or shimmy. Drives perfect. Look at that. Our brakes stop nice and straight as well. And I was right. It seals up tight, doesn't it?
It does.
What a clean car. I mean, you can definitely tell it's a 91,000 original mile car that's been, you know, basically all restored. Yeah. Gorgeous. 100%. We'll try to go through the gears once, but I think it's, you know, this 340 is just a nice little sounding motor. It's nothing like super crazy.
I drove it when it first came in, all warmed up, drove it, a lot of torque.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just kind of cold right now.
Okay, she's awake. Oh yeah. Look at this shit.
Man, it moves.
That's 80, and it feels like I was driving my my 2022 Corvette.
The handle's really
look
nice.
at this. It's fantastic. This is a good one, you guys. Not quite sure on the temp gauge. It's still down in the cold, so might be something we have to check that and the gas gauge out. But
Nice satellite. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.